Hello guys, this is Moses. Today we are learning about how to create a rejection out in in a Tally ERP9. So you just go to and look for your Tally program. You click on it. Click on select company. You select your company. You go to accounting voucher. Okay. Here we want to create a rejection out voucher. For that, you press out F6. Okay. Here we'll put the ledger name. It was PCL Limited. You press enter. Name of the item. Remember in the previous video we had purchased Dell laptops. We purchased 12 pieces. Out of 12 pieces, we have discovered that we actually needed only 10, not 12. So we are rejecting out 2 pieces. Okay. You select the item. Okay. Here we select the reference number. This one. Okay. We press enter. Now here instead of 12, we are going to write 2 because that is the number which we want to reject out. Okay. Press enter and list. As you can see here, we are rejecting out 2 pieces. So just press enter, enter, enter. Thank you guys. That is how to create a rejection out voucher in Tally ERP9. If you find this video helpful, please help me and subscribe, because that is the best way you can support my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.